Man, 11s are beautiful. I honestly love 11s. I just love the colorway. They need to release a lot more 11s. Speaking of them, pause. Cancel the music real quick. Cancel the music. We have a serious discussion to talk about. I don't want to take too much time, but I do want to talk about this. Talking about 11s. There is an 11 that I've never owned to this day. If you're close to me, you know what it is. But I'm pretty sure as far as the sneaker community goes, a whole bunch of people probably would love for this return. But I'm trying to raise awareness. Nike, Jordan Brand, if you're listening, probably not, but I'm trying to raise awareness, and you guys can too. Bring back the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blues. Please bring that back. That is like my ultimate grail. I swear to everything that I love, that is my ultimate grail. If they're listening, please bring back the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blues, man. I want those so bad. Those are literally, me personally, those are the cleanest 11s that I've ever actually have seen, honestly. Don't get me wrong, these Legend Blues are fire too, and I would love to have the highs, but at the same time, please, let's come on, guys, let's try to raise some awareness for them Legend Blues, them Gamma Blues. I know. I've been waiting for this one. I have been waiting for this one for this one. This video might be a little bit longer, but oh my goodness, finally. Y'all don't understand how long I've been waiting for this sneaker right here. Like, my goodness. You know, we're looking at a Retro 11 today, and again, I just wanted to let you guys know, thank you so much for all love and support that you show. It just means a lot. Everyone that supported me on the journey to where I'm at now, thank you. I've been asking for this one since the breads. Man, I've been wanting it bad, and Nike has finally answered the call. Ooh, my goodness, today we are taking a look at the, oh my God, the Air Jordan 11 Gamma. Guys, right here. You know, speechless. All-time favorite Jordan. Literally, this is my all-time favorite Jordan. Like, literally, I could take all the shoes I have, sell all of them, get rid of them, and like, I'll be content with this right here. This is that shoe. All-time favorite. Guys, without further ado, let's take a look at these Gammas. Let's go, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Neff Ray. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Hey, 2025 has been nothing but straight heat. And after acquiring these, listen guys, I'm gonna tell you something right now. This video might be a little longer because I want you to know that, first off, let me just say this. Guys, thank you so much for all the love and support that you've shown us from the beginning of time. From the beginning I started this channel to my very first review that I ever did to where I'm at now. Well, I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Let's get that out the way. I truly just appreciate you guys so much. In today's video, the shoe that we're taking a look at right here is the shoe that got me into, this is the reason why the channel exists, because of this shoe right here, honestly. Guys, as you know, today is December 13th. As you've been sleeping on the rock, if you have, you already know every single year Jordan does go ahead and release the Air Jordan 11. We've gotten multiple colorways on OGs to you know, different ones that everyone's wanted, new colorways. But like you see in the intro, I've been asking for this colorway for such a long time. This shoe is truly my favorite sneaker as far as Jordans go. I can even say my favorite Jordan ever, and honestly my favorite sneaker of all time. And I know I'm kind of rambling, but I want you guys to just know we're taking a look at an Air Jordan 11. Nike and Jordan Brand, thank you so much for bringing this back. Finally, I've been waiting years and years and being patient, so close to paying resale, but I never ever did. I stuck it out, And today we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 in the Gamma color. Wait, let's go. Yes, the Gamma colorway. First time these ever came out was 2013, and it was the first non-OG that Jordan Brand did go ahead and release, and people did go crazy for this colorway. And personally, in my honest opinion, this is my favorite. I like these more than the Breads. I like these more than the Concords. I know people are gonna look at me crazy, but this is my favorite shoe. So we did go ahead and go to Shoe Palace today, and we're gonna talk about the experience there because it was pretty insane. And yeah, let's get into the Gamma Blues. But before we go ahead and do that, I gotta give you guys your shout outs, your kudos. You know I appreciate you very, very much. So let's begin it. Alrighty, so first and foremost, thank you guys seriously for all the love and the support that you show. Like I said, from the very beginning to when I first started the first video I ever dropped to where I'm at now. Whether, you know, you've come to like the content, you dislike the content, you don't really, you know, agree with it. Like any type of support, any type of watch that you've seen on the videos is tremendously appreciated. And I want you to know I really am thankful for you guys. Seriously, I really am. If you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That way, anytime I drop a video over on sneakers or anything of me, just my content wise, you're alerted and notified. Also as well, if you want to get featured like you see right here, go ahead, comment down below, and literally you can say anything you want. Let me know how your 2025 was, because man, this was a super expensive year. If you were a content creator or you're just a sneaker enthusiast, let me know what your most recent pickup for this year was, and I will go ahead and feature you like you see right here. So, enough talking, guys. I'm literally, like, honestly kind of shaking how bad I've been wanting these. Seriously, without further ado, let's take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Gamma. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go right here. I'm not cutting anything out. I know I'm probably taking a long time, but I'm sorry. This is a special shoe. This is what got me to start my channel, seriously. So we did go to Shoe Palace. Yo, one thing I will say about these, honestly, Nike's changing it up. We didn't get a shock drop this year. So people were outside for these. The marketing that Jordan Brand Nike did, they made people go outside for first come, first serve, and people were outside. Again, people were outside. Take a look at this picture right here. It may not be the best picture, but that was the line I was waiting at in Shoe Palace, and I saw other areas, people were like 40, 50 people deep, when by the time I got my size, thankfully, I kind of waited around just to kind of see what the buzz was. These things sold out probably in about 25 minutes, seriously, which is kind of crazy to even think about. But enough rambling, let's go ahead and look at, oh my gosh, the Air Jordan 11 Gamma finally for all time. So as you see right here, they do go ahead and give us an all black, nice all black box. You got the teal Jumpman right there. As we go ahead and look on the other side, it does go ahead and say 23. We got the thumb that you can put in it. Now I know a lot of people were kind of upset that, you know, for the price that they're going for, $235, that they should be putting it in those, you know, those the OG boxes that they used to give up. I'm starting to think they may go back that direction next year because they're going to give us retro cards, but we will see. But that ring right there is in a nice teal blue or Gamma blue, and I think they executed really perfectly. Let's go ahead and read the size description. So size description, let's go ahead and read Air Jordan 11 Retro, black, Gamma blue. Black, this is a size 11. I recommend going true to size for your 11. You don't want to mess around and play with these because I really don't think there's a lot of spots that are gonna have them anymore. Like these are a sellout for sure. And SKU code, let's go ahead and read CT8012047. And here we go. I'm gonna open up the box right here. Man, you guys don't understand. Like, I literally remember being in freshman year in high school and looking at Sneaker Finder and all the different websites and like browsing and seeing different shoes. And the Gamma 11, this particular shoe right here was the one I was like, oh my goodness, I need those. Thank you, Lord. As you see right here, you do go ahead and get your carbon fiber tissue paper, which is nice. And without further ado, here we go. I gotta sit up for this one. Then 3 and 2 and 1 right here. The Air Jordan 11.
Gamma blue, guys. Oh my gosh, bro. I can't. I'm thankful. Like, I'm thankful. I'm thankful for this one. I'm thankful for this one. I know I'm repeating myself, but man, this is my favorite sneaker of all time. Let me go ahead and get out the right here, and we're gonna talk. Oh my gosh, we're gonna talk about it right now. Let's go, guys. And boom, here we go. The Air Jordan 11 Gammas. Oh my goodness. When these first came out in 2013, I was not into sneakers yet because, you know, financially not there. But I would always see these and I'm like, I needed these. Look at the bottom of the outsole. Oh my God, I need these bad. So let's go ahead and take a look at the left right here. We're gonna take our time with it. So starting with the bottom of the, let me lower my ring light just a tiny bit because I want to really capture the best content with this sneaker. So the bottom of the outsole, as you see right here, you have a teal as your outsole, and you do have kind of, usually it's an icy sole, but they gave this one the Gamma blue, kind of that purplish, but it is a blue color right there. You do go ahead and get the Jumpman. You got the carbon fiber hit right there. As we come up to the midsole right here, you got a nice, very beautiful all black patent leather on the midsole. And then the best thing about this, as you see right here, we also do have the, what's it called? We have the high cut patent leather. As you know, ever since the newer Jordans, now 11s, they gave it that high cut upgrade and it looks ever so beautiful. As we come up to the back right here, we do have the 23 in gold right there. And probably my favorite part of this shoe, damn, I'm over here spitting and stuff, god dang, this shoe is the turquoise or the Gamma blue Jumpman right there. I want you guys to pick it up. That Gamma blue Jumpman. Now on the 2013 pair, I remember that the Jumpman was facing on the right side, but on the 2025 pair, it is now on the left side, which I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it at all. Definitely a very clean sneaker in my opinion. As you see right here, you do get hit of the bungee laces, the bungee cord laces that all 11s come with. You get your turquoise or Gamma blue Jumpman right there, and then you get more of the lettering for the Jordan 11. Let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree. Plastic shoe tree, but it's okay. I'm actually gonna take out my Concord 11 shoe tree and put it in these, because yeah. As you see, you have the insole's all black, and you do have a gold Jumpman right in there. And let me see what else we have in as well. Oh, and you do have quality inspired by the greatest player ever in the white text and the Gamma blue text. Take a look at that focus, as you can see right there. And woohoo! Yes, man. Oh my goodness, it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. Like seriously, I know like a lot of you guys are probably like, man, he's tripping like this for shoes, but like this shoe just brings a lot of memories. Honestly, I've never had it before, but seeing it, I used to like see how far I've come with the channel and like making reviews for you guys. It's just a lot of memories, and it's ridiculous. Guys, like I told you, this shoe, in my honest opinion, is the best Jordan of all time. I know a lot of you guys are gonna disagree with me on that, and that's perfectly fine. As far as where you can get them at, a lot of spots to the first come, first serve, and I will be truly honest with you, people want these shoes. Whether, I think a lot of people want them for personal, their resale is high too, but people want this shoe like really, really bad. But oh my goodness, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for allowing me to hit on these. This is the all-time grail right here. I'm completely, seriously, I can say this in full confidence. I still obviously are gonna be doing shoe reviews, but I truly have like all the shoes I want right now. I really, really do. If anything, moving forward, it'll probably just be for more like review purposes. And if I do keep them, I may keep them, but it may not be crazy as I did, you know, these last couple of years. But guys, do let me know. I'm kind of rambling. Let me know how you feel about the Air Jordan 11 Gammas. Is it a must-have for you? Is it your all-time favorite sneaker? Let me know, because this one right here, I've been waiting for it. I have been waiting for a good minute. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and break away to the on-feet review. Before I do though, I wanna give you guys a closer perspective, because I do want you guys to get just kind of a more in-depth look of what it is. So let's take a look at it right now. Here we go right here. We got the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blue, guys. Gamma Blue. And it's beautiful 2025 edition, and it is really, really nice. Like, I mean, shoot, this is a shoe you can wear with dang near everything. I know me, I personally am going to be wearing these on special occasions just because I love this shoe, and this shoe will be getting a lot of wear. Probably my most worn Air Jordan 11. Like, yeah, let me know and your spots where a lot of people out there for them. I know, like I said, in my area, people did come out, so I'm assuming, and from what I'm seeing as well, it was crazy. But do let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 11 and the Gamma Blue colorway, guys. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you always show. This is gonna end the video off of the Air Jordan 11 Gamma. I also want to mention, because I just happened to think about it, did y'all have trouble with the sneakers app this morning? If you did, let me know, because geez, I feel like people wanted these. People wanted these, like, no ifs, ands, or buts. People wanted them. The app literally was like dang near crashing. I was trying to go ahead and press like the 235 because how much it was to purchase it. I couldn't even get past that. I entered for them and I didn't get none, so I was like, it's no big deal. Try to double up on it, but it's all good. This one pair is perfectly all I need. Again, I'm probably gonna, for me, this is gonna get so much wears. This is gonna get so much wears. But do let me know how you feel about today's video though. How are we liking these? I'll probably drop in a short on these here shortly. I'm also gonna drop something over on my Instagram, so check a look out for that. But love you guys seriously for all the love and support that you show. It really means a lot. More reviews, more news on sneakers is coming on the way. If you ever want to message me or anything on Instagram, please let me know. I'll try to get back to you as best as I possibly can. But like all things, I'm over here out of breath for how excited I am. Greatly appreciate all love and support. Remember, it's only ever be one you. Be the best you. And I will catch you guys in the next video, guys. Gamma Blues. Peace.